In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit multi-camera videos in CapCut. Whether you're working on a creative project or a professional production, multi-camera editing can elevate your videos to the next level. It allows you to seamlessly switch between different angles, giving your audience a dynamic and engaging viewing experience. CapCut makes this process straightforward, even for beginners, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the skills you need to organize, sync, and edit multi-camera footage like a pro. If you're new to CapCut, you can find a link in the description to download and get started. All right, let's dive straight into the first stage, preparing your project. The very first thing you'll want to do is import all the video files from each camera into CapCut. This step is essential because having all your footage in one place ensures that every angle is available for editing. Once you've imported your clips, drag and drop each camera's footage onto its own separate track in the timeline. Organizing your clips this way keeps everything neat and makes syncing much easier. Think of it like stacking layers. Each track represents a different perspective, and keeping them separate prevents confusion. If you've recorded audio separately, using an external audio recorder, now is the time to import that audio file into CapCut. Place it on the main audio track in your timeline. Using high-quality external audio not only improves the overall sound of your video, but also provides a clear reference for syncing your camera footage. Once that's done, mute the audio from your camera clips. This avoids interference and ensures that the external audio remains clean and consistent. However, if you don't have external audio, that's okay. You can rely on the built-in audio from your camera clips. CapCut is designed to use this audio to align your footage effectively. Now that your project is set up, let's move on to the next phase, creating a multi-camera clip. To start, highlight all the video clips on your timeline. You can do this by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each track, or by dragging a selection box over them. Once everything is selected, right-click on one of the clips and choose the option to create a multi-camera clip. This is where the magic begins. A dialog box will pop up, giving you options for how to sync your clips. If your clips have clear audio tracks, choose the audio option to sync them based on their sound waves. This method works best when the audio is consistent across all your clips. Alternatively, if you've added markers to your footage manually, select the first marker option. And if you're working on a quick project or don't need precise syncing, you can go with the auto option, which lets CapCut handle everything for you. For those working with large files like 4K or RAW footage, I highly recommend enabling the proxy setting before you proceed. This will generate lightweight versions of your files, which makes editing much smoother while preserving the high-quality originals for your final export. Once you've chosen your settings, click Create and let CapCut process your multi-camera clip. Depending on the size and number of your clips, this step might take a little time, so be patient. With your multi-camera clip ready, it's time to move into the editing phase. Begin by playing the newly created multi-camera clip in your timeline. While it's playing, you can switch angles in real time by simply clicking on the camera view you want in the preview window. Each time you click, CapCut marks the switch in your timeline, creating instant cuts between angles. For a faster workflow, use the number keys on your keyboard to switch angles. For example, pressing the number 1 will show the first angle, 2 will switch to the second, 3 to the third, and so on. Once you've marked your angle switches, you can fine-tune them for a more polished result. Hover over the cut point between two angles in the timeline, and drag the edges left or right to adjust the timing. This level of control lets you ensure that each transition happens at just the right moment to maximize the visual impact. Take your time with this step, repeating the process as needed until your pacing feels just right. And there you have it. You've learned how to organize your footage, sync multiple cameras, and edit dynamic multi-camera sequences in CapCut. This workflow will not only save you time, but also help you create professional quality videos with ease. If you have any questions or tips about multi-camera editing, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.